Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today we're going to talk about the new Tempur-Pedic Pro Adapt Medium Hybrid Series. This is a brand new mattress, just came out a few weeks ago actually. I'm going to have my mattress princess, of course, appear and go over some great questions and give us a review. So let's do this. Whoa! Alright, so the cool feature about this, it actually has what's called a Smart Climate Dual Cool cover. What that is, it's actually cool to the touch on the cover, and it's cool to the touch underneath. So that's why it's got dual cool versus the old Tempur-Pedic mattresses only had the cool technology underneath, unless of course it was the breeze technology. Go ahead and take lay down on that bad boy. Whoa!
It's okay, but what's hybrid technology?
Great question. Hybrid technology is very important. Hybrid technology, if you think of hybrid drivers, hybrid cars, hybrid is where it has memory foam technology, but instead of having the high dense foam below, it actually has inner springs. These are pocketed coil inner springs which give you individualized support to conform to your body perfectly. This has 1,000 coils in it, so this is not a very light mattress. This is a great mattress.
So, what kind of sleeper is this best for, King?
I actually recommend this bed to all sleepers, predominantly side sleepers because it is a medium feel, but since it has that cool hybrid technology, it will conform and support you in different ways than most Tempur-Pedic mattresses because it has inner springs giving you individualized support. Any other questions?
Good.
All right. What do you rate this bed from from 5 crowns? What do you recommend this mattress?
Definitely 5 crowns.
5 crowns. We've never had 5 crowns. That's great. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week on Pillow Talk with the Mattress King.